So, there's been a development in the story around the allegations against Russell Brand. The government have released a press release on their website, and it is worded as follows. Media Advisory Notice, Russell Brand. The Attorney General confirms the requirement not to publish material which could prejudice any potential criminal investigations or prosecutions. And this comes from the Attorney General's office, and that is the Right Honourable Victoria Prentice, and is worded as follows. Following the airing of Russell Brand in Plain Sight Dispatches on the 16th of September 2023, there has been extensive reporting about Russell Brand. The Attorney General, the Right Honourable Victoria Prentice KCMP, wishes to amplify the importance of not publishing any material where there is a risk that it could prejudice any potential criminal investigation or prosecutions. Publishing this material could amount to contempt of court. You got that? Contempt of court. Editors, publishers, and social media users should take legal advice to ensure they are in a position to fully comply with the obligations to which they are subject under the Common Law of Contempt of Court Act 1981. The Attorney General's office is monitoring the coverage of these allegations. So, yep, there you have it. This is somewhat unusual when you consider that no one has been arrested yet, there have been no charges, and there is no court case. I'm sure there are supporters of Brand who will say this is another example of deep state trying to shut him down, etc., etc. Ironically, they're the same people that are saying Brand shouldn't suffer trial by media. If there's charges to be answered, they should be answered in court, which is true. So this notice will help prevent trial by media. So I think it's partly influenced by the beginning of the year. You remember that unfortunate woman, Nicola Bulley, slipped into a river and drowned. Well, where that happened was absolutely inundated with TikTok users all posting their various theories on how they think she died, etc., etc. As it turned out, it happened to be an accident, but had there been foul play, then all of those theories that the people were posting may have had an influence on a potential jury. So I would suggest if anyone wishes to post anything about Brand in the future, they familiarise themselves with the 1981 Contempt of Court Act. You can find it on the government's website. Here it is here. I'll scroll down through it for you, or the overview of it. I hope that you can speed read, because it's quite extensive, and unless you're legally trained, it's quite complex. Far more than I can understand, that's for sure. And you can end up doing prison time for contempt of court, so you kind of got to know what you're doing. I don't think this is in contempt of court, hope not. But if you stick to reporting the facts, i.e. if someone gets arrested, X has been arrested, X has been charged, then obviously you're not in contempt of court. It's only when you start offering opinions that you could be in contempt of court. As regards to this video, the only opinion that I've offered is the fact that the Nicola Bulley tragedy might have had some influence on why this contempt notice has been issued. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep updated on the facts as they become known, minus any opinions.